All right, beginning with example 2. So with example 1, we were just talking about vertical translation. Now we're going to talk about horizontal translation. There is a few things that you need to keep in mind with horizontal translation. It is the total opposite of vertical translation. So with vertical, you think up and down. With horizontal, you're going to look left to right, okay? And this time, it is actually going to affect your X value. So if you look here, look at where your H is located now. Where is it? It is attached to your X. So that means that your Y values are not going to get affected now, but your X values are going to get affected. And I do like to point out that the horizontal translation, it is opposite. So when you look at this example, it says let H equals 5. Compare the graph of G of X equals 2 to the power of X minus 5. So let's look at this. This is a screenshot of Desmos, okay? We have typed in f of x equals 2 to the power of x, g of x equals 2 to the power of x minus h in parentheses, and then we distinguish that h is equal to 5. What you need to notice is your blue line is the 2 to the power of x. But if you look at the red line, it actually went to the right instead of going to the left, okay? Now, common sense would tell you if it's a minus 5, you would think that it would go back because those are where my negative values are on my x-axis. But actually, you're going to go to the right. So just always think opposite when you hear horizontal translation. So it says minus 5. So again, find a point where it intersects, which is here. Go to that same point on the same line. Well, go to the same area on the next line and count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that I went to the right 5 units, okay? And remember, it says x minus 5. So in your mind, you will probably think, oh, I should be going to the left, but you're actually going to be going to the right, okay? Same thing here, but now you have plus 3. So where would I be going? I will be going to the left. Think opposite. You're not going to go to the right. You're actually going to go to the left. So again, if you look at your blue line, let's find a point, which is here. Now let's find a point on the red line in the same area. 1, 2, 3. So that means I go to the left 3 units. Okay? So now go ahead and take a moment and do the try it to A and B.